stepped in dog shit this morning. Got inside my tent and all over my back. This is so gross. It smells worse than normal dog shit too. Well, at least there are pancakes for breakfast. The trail magic has been amazing. We had chili dogs and then stir fry for dinner, and now Tripod's making pancakes. So stepping in dog shit is offset. But it's been like 15 minutes of me trying to clean it out of my bag and get it off my shoe. I'm gonna try to hike about 20 today, 15 to 20 maybe. Just gotta get to Lincoln by the 4th. I'm gonna have a lot of editing to do.
For posterity.
Yes. Compliments to the chef.
Also, I didn't realize that there were fire lookouts out here. Yeah.
Taking a little blue blaze. Hopefully there's not too many water crossings.
Find it, and you're like, I don't have like brain fog or anything. So, the cold can probably handle it. I'm taking more photos of the people, less photos of the nature.
Made it to the junction. And it looks like we just keep going straight. Demons.
Demons.
We are climbing.
We're climbing.
It is hot and exposed. Trying to find shade for lunch, and it's already 2 o'clock, but I'm still pretty fueled from the trail magic. Oh, it is like giving me PCT vibes right now with this heat. So hot. Oh, I was so happy Sprinkles gave me that Band-Aid. And I don't know if I said it, but she had a blister on her heel and it got infected and she had to get off trail for a little bit. So I was taking extra care to make sure that mine is okay, but walking on it does not feel great. I'm just glad that I have a proper bandage for it, so thank you, Sprinkles.
I'm doing that much better.
Wow. It's a little stormy. Looking even more ominous.
Yeah, the clouds are rising right here. It feels like maybe we just made it past it.
Yeah, like over there, it doesn't look like it's raining as much. I wish we could see the radar.
Let's just go. Let's just go. I'll keep the rain jacket on.
We could always like hide under trees too.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of sprinkles. Oh, goodness.
It's literally the one map of Montana I don't have.
This is amazing.
The part south of the campground. I have the part, I have where it starts. Pure sugar and carbs. It's like, I used to do that for second breakfast. Get the extra wood.